In this video, I am going to show you how to configure NetLink H225 Wi-Fi router. First, we need to log in the router. For this purpose, we need to enter the IP address in web browser, then enter the username and password. Password will be available in the back side of the router. If it is configured by ISP, you need to collect the details from ISP. This is a dual band router. If you want to change the Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password, you need to select network 2.4G. Here you are able to change the 2.4G Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. For changing Wi-Fi name, we need to change the SSID name. For the password, we need to scroll down and we need to find the WLAN security. Here you are able to change the Wi-Fi password. Once after changes, don't forget to press the submit button. If you are changing the SSID, you need to press the submit button near to the SSID. If you are changing the password, you need to press the submit button near to the security. Here I am not changing any Wi-Fi settings. If I am changing any Wi-Fi setting, the connectivity will lose. We need to log in with a new SSID and new password. The same way you can manage the 5 giga wireless settings also. Now I am going to show you how to enable DMSet. For this purpose, we need to select application, then advanced NAT. If you scroll down here, you are able to see NAT DMSet host. Here you need to enable the DMSet host, then enter the IP of DMSet server. Once after, press the submit button. Now we have completed DMSet server configuration. If you want to disable the DMSet host, then press the submit button. Don't forget to press the submit button for enabling and disabling the DMSet server. Here I am showing how to enable virtual server or port forwarding configuration. For this purpose, we need to select application advanced NAT. If you scroll down, you are able to see NAT virtual server configuration. If we want to use port forwarding or DMZ configuration, we require public IP from provider end. Then only the configuration will be working fine. If you want to do any port forwarding, you need to press the add button, enter the server name for identifying the port forwarding policy. External IP address. Here you can leave it as blank. Then enter the external start port and external end port. If you are using same port, we can use the same port in both. If you want to use a range of port, we can enter starting and ending. Depend on the external access, we need to define the protocol. If it is TCP, you can use TCP. If it is UDP, you can use UDP. Otherwise, you can use TCP and UDP. Then internal server IP, which one we need to access from outside. Then enter the source port. For external, we used starting and ending, but here for the internal, we need to use only starting port. Ending port will be automatically taken from the external port range. Then press the add button. If you want to delete any time the port forwarding, you can press the delete button. This is I am just showing the demonstration of creation and deletion. If you want to use the port forwarding continuously, you can keep the created policy. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.